And practically naramdaman niya na mga kasama namin at ang publiko mismo ay alam na meron siyang mga naiwan na dapat ituloy na ika ngay unfinished business sa Blue Ribbon. So by November 10 we will re-elect or ask Senator Lacson to retake. And as far as our last conversation, and he has agreed. Alam niyang kailangan na.
Matapos ang ilang linggong walang namuno dito dahil wala nga gustong kumuha ng Blue Ribbon sa mga tao sa Mayorga. So, kanina ba mapupunta yun? Of course, kay Lacson.
Una, papasalamat ako sa tiwala for considering me for such a very important committee, lalo Blue Ribbon, no? Kaya lang, alam ko limitasyon ko, mas marami ang tingin kong mas may kakayanan ang mag-lead ng
There are netizens pitching, why not Senator Risa Ontiveros? I mean, not to take anything away from Senator Ping Lacson, of course, but was that a factor in the decision making?
Yes, indeed. We asked her. I think you'd better ask her why. We asked if she was interested. And she herself said, no, I prefer Senator Lacson.
Well, interesting.
Pero ngayong ICI na ang nag-hearing at ayon pa sa isang interview na ginawa ni former DPWH Secretary and member of the ICI Rogelio Singson na hindi rin siya pabor na gawing state witness ang mga Diskaya dahil hindi sila ang most guilty.
Diskaya, Bryce Hernandez, Alcantara, kahit sino sa kanila, wala.
Personally, no way. They are not the least guilty. They are not. They are principal players. Nakinabang na yung mga yan. Tama na. Galit na yung tao dahil sa kanila. Tapos bibigyan mo ng state protection to be able to get away from further cases and enjoy the benefits of their anomalous practices. Huwag naman.